All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload and share and utilize different GIFs and stickers and video clips by using the website Klipy, which offers a gigantic library of millions of different animated videos and GIFs and different stickers and memes that you can use to accentuate your latest joke, fit your current vibe, or, if you really just want to send your pal a video of a hamster munching on a strawberry because it's absolutely adorable. So the sign up process to use this service is pretty easy. All you gotta do is click on the login button. And here you've got three primary options. You can sign up with a standard email and password, which is, I think, what a lot of people would prefer. You can also log in directly with Facebook, or you can use Google. I think I'm going to do that one. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account for Larry Chupacabra. And here you can see on my profile, I've already submitted a few images and videos to the gigantic collective that is Klipy. So creating content, super straightforward. You just go over here to the giant yellow create button that's got a little magic wand and you click it. This allows you to upload GIFs, to create clips from MP4s, MOVs, or WebM videos with a maximum file size of 70 megabytes, or you can create stickers out of. So let's go ahead. In fact, you can actually do like 60 uploads a day, so you can pretty much go hog wild with doing multiple uploads at the exact same time. I only really want to do one at a time here, though, so we're just going to say absolutely. Actually, this one looks like it needs to be trimmed a little bit. Let's go ahead and edit this. I can trim it down a little bit because there's a little extra frame at the front I need to get rid of, and also at the back, so that it's just this character freaking out, and then I can click next. That's the nice thing about this. It lets you really quickly edit them, and then it'll process it when it's done. And I can call this Meatball Terrified, and we can just type in scared, terrified, freaked out, pretty much as many tags as you can think of for this image that would adequately describe what's going on here is what you want to use. Video about Discord moderators. And then once I do that, I can go ahead and hit publish. And that will be submitted once it's done uploading and processing, because it does do a little bit of editing as I stipulated in that editor. It'll then get submitted for review by the Klipy team, because everything that goes on this platform needs to abide by their community guidelines. And that's just simple stuff that could get you in trouble and probably them in trouble, which is things like don't post, sexually explicit content that's kind of pornographic. Don't post real world violence. Don't post, people hurting themselves, animal abuse, all those sorts of things. You want to kind of stay away from that thing. That's pretty standard across the internet for a lot of places. If it's not safe for YouTube, it's probably not going to be safe to put it up on Klipy, and it'll probably get rejected. And in my experience, having uploaded a few different clips in testing this platform, it takes between 24 to 48 hours, but usually not longer than that. The next thing you can do is you can actually edit a video that's directly off of YouTube. So I've actually got a little sample here from Family Guy that I want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and say this is going to be a clip. And then once you validate that it's an actual functional video, you just have to determine what scene exactly you want to use. And I want this one here where he says, looks like it's time to get hit in the old dusty trail. And then I can just hit next once I've got it. And I can just say Family Guy hitting the old dusty trail. And I can just say the source is from Family Guy. And then boom, I can now publish this one to join the cacophony of other different videos. And here you can see this image while we were working on the other one, finished uploading and processing. You can see it trimmed out that slight frame that was blipping in from another part of the video. Now it's just our buddy here screaming terrified. And this is now in review, and it'll tell me in my notifications that it's under review, and it should be ready fairly shortly after that. Now, the last thing you can probably play around with is you have the ability to AI generate some memes or some emojis. And this will kind of just be based upon how well you can write a 300 word or character prompt. Create a "this is fine" meme where a computer developer is on a tight deadline, but his computer and office are both on fire. And let's see how quickly it'll generate us a "this is fine" image. So that returned some results pretty quick. It kind of pulls from existing meme templates, so it may or may not grab you one that you're feeling works right immediately, which is why they have the regenerate button. So you can kind of click through a few different variations until you get the one that you actually want. And Klipy also has, for developers, they also have their own API that you can use to integrate their gigantic library of GIFs and other images, from clips to stickers to memes, into your app, so that it makes it really easy to just search for something funny to post and either send to people in a message, post somewhere in a chat application. And there's all this information here on integrating it, how they can support ads for it if you want to use that to make money through your app. All of that's built in here. You can check it out for yourself. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to author your own clips and GIFs using Klipy. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.